Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole, and today I am back at it again with another video. Look at her wig. Look at her. Period. Clear his throat. It's still not clear, y'all. I'm sick as hell. Sick as hell, but it's okay. We're gonna get into it. So,
when I walk through, cashed out everything brand new. Every single thing brand new. Shitting on you. And I ain't never had to do it for the view. It's Abby Nicole. Yeah. Stop playing, bitch. I ain't the one.
Right now, I got my bottle cap on, and I'm gonna be using my Got to Be freeze spray to tack this down. But what I'm doing is cutting out my ears. I gotta have my ears out because I need my ears to listen. You have to listen, Panya, get it right. So I sprayed the Got to Be spray all over. I don't know where that clip went. Basically, I just sprayed it right on the lace. I mean, not the lace, the stocking cap. And I'm blow drying the puck out of it. After blow drying it, and when it's dry to touch, where you don't feel no stickiness, you cut off the excess cap. Now we go ahead and with the wig. Now this wig is a 30-inch lace front wig, you guys, from Cynosure hair, you guys. Now, one thing I gotta say about this wig is that this wig is amazing. It is long, but it is thin. The frontal, I do believe, is shorter. I don't know exactly what length it is, but I wish they would have had everything the same length. But you see how these hair companies work. They don't be doing that. So, yeah, I mean, and it's more expensive for that anyway. So, now I'm cutting off some of the lace. I'm cutting off all of the lace so I could get ready to put my lace on. And then I'm going to apply foundation on the lace. I didn't do this part on camera, but and on my body cap. You're going to see that in a second. Cutting off all that extra part that doesn't look clear. All that part that look white. Chop it off. Retiel. We don't want it. Retiel. So now I'm just making sure that the hairline of the ball cap matches the hairline on the lace, because I'm gonna apply the lace glue or whatever adhesive that I'm gonna use on that cap, not my skin, the cap. So usually when I know I'm gonna wear a wig for a long time, I use Ghost Bond, but today I'm gonna be using some other stuff. It was trial and error, so I just apply foundation to the cap, and then we're gonna move on. What lace? Oh yeah, and I bleached the knots. That's why there's that brown spot in the middle. I accidentally got it on the hair. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. Yeah. So now I'm going in with this even lace glue, this extra hold. Y'all, this was not the wave. I don't know how I used this glue a while ago, how I was raving about it, because I just don't know. Maybe I'm not using it right. It's just not working for me right now. So I ended up doing that. Then it was like dry. The lace wouldn't even stick. So I said, okay, hell no. Now I'm going to have to use some Got to Be spray again. I kind of wanted a stronger hold. That's why I wanted to use the glue, the gel glue, but it didn't work. So my technique is to pull the lace back so it could go down as tight as it can, and then blow dry while you're pulling it, and then let go, and then continue in sections. So you're going to watch me work in sections. I ended up using the black Got to Be gel and the Got to Be spray. That was a concoction that ended up working for me. So get acclimated with your concoction, okay?
Scotty just called him a body.
you're going to see me go ahead and part the hair, straighten it. Look at how flowy it is. Again, I did bleach the knots. I used a 50 volume developer. Left it on there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's just, oh my God, I just love it. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I didn't even use like no BioSilk or no heat protectant, which I probably should have, but I just wanted to see how the hair would have acted without it. And it did pretty good, if you ask me. Another thing is I kind of made my bleaching batter too thick. So it kind of went through the hairline. So when you see me part the part, it's like, ah! Ah! It's like too much hair. It looked like a bald spot. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to finesse that baby. Because, you know, we just finessing over here. Like a laser. Period. So I'm going to go in with black lipstick. Later, you're going to see it. But for the most part, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm done talking. I hope y'all enjoyed the little tutorial on how I laid this wig. It was a little journey. You know, to get it flat, I used my Lotta Body. I need to go to rest. I need to go take some rest. I use my Lotta Body foaming mousse, you guys, with my Got To Be spray, hot comb from Kendra's Boutique. And yeah. I thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely check out Cynosure hair. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below how you like the sleek side part with no baby hairs. Oh, wait. Let's talk about that. Sis had no baby hair. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not one goddamn baby hair. Which I think. If y'all want to see the tutorial on this makeup look, it's going to be on the channel called Abby Nicole Beauty. Please head over there and enjoy the show. And I will leave you in the next one. Have a good night. Bye.
Scotty just caught him on body.